Cool. I've had so much fun, but I think it's time for me to go home. Oh, is that a meteorite? It is a meteorite. La la la. Sis, get inside. It's a meteorite. Okay. I'm on the elevator. Sis, hurry. Meteorite, you should hurry. Sorry, but I just have a lot of stuff in my car. I have my Starbucks. Okay, well, do we help you? No, it's only a few. Almost there. I can just see it. I can see the flames. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh. And this is glass. This could break through any moment now. Come on, we need to hurry. I'm in the elevator. Come on. Oh, another homeless girl. Is that a meteorite? My little thing goes like this. There's so much mess. Sorry for that. I just really want to clean it right now. What is that? Get out of here. I'm just so tired. Get in the elevator.
So that line is broken.
I'm just gonna float because I have floating towers. Okay, safety room. Safety room.
Well,
I'm in here. Okay, we're gonna have to sleep in here. I'm gonna change into my pajamas. Okay. Oh no, all her food fell. That's fine. And then still a Starbucks. I'm just gonna sleep. Though my shoes are on, I just don't really care. I'm just gonna go to sleep till the meteorite's over. The meteorite. Guys, come on, get her. People are still upstairs. Guys! I'm gonna go change. Is that a meteorite? Get me out of here. I'm gonna go change. The heck? I'm changing, okay? Hurry, you gotta get out of here. So, I know, but it's gonna pop into us. Get it? Pop in. Pop into us.
no,
Look at that. But is there seriously a meteorite? Yeah, I know. I think we should run. And by the way, why are you naked? I don't know. Oh, a dollhouse. This is definitely surviving this. This has magic power, so this is probably do it. Let's go up to the bottom floor because the bottom floor is the safest. Perfect. Oh, Shopkins bag. And then we're gonna need some eggs. Perfect. Now my little squish thing. Now I have to close it up. Oh, the thing is not closing. Good as it could do. I'm so scared. What am I gonna do? Oh, maybe I should go in there. But it's a bathtub in there. No, I won't go in the bathtub. Before I go to bed, I think I should do something. Oh, this couch. Ooh. To move it against the door, like that, then the extra safety protection. So I don't want that meteorite hitting us. I'm back since it was changing. Come on. Let's go to bed. Sister! Sorry, dude, tired. Well, the meteorite is coming. Warning, please get in. Houses, safety rooms should be provided in every house. Please go. Why are the tornado sirens going off? I guess Anna's a tornado. We better go to bed quick. But we can't keep watch, so I need to... oh, and my Stanley too. We gotta put that somewhere too. Where's your Stanley? It just fell into the bed somewhere?
No, I guess there's just so much rain.
I'm so scared, I'm so scared. Okay. The tornado.
Warning. Tornado. Warning. Meteorite coming in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Did you hear that? I can smell a little bit of smoke.
Oh no, the tornado's probably killing all the homeless. The tornado! I'm in the tornado! Help me! I'm in the tornado! Oh my god! I'm in the tornado! Oh my gosh! Everything is in the tornado right now. Everybody is in the tornado.
Actually, just a coincidence. It's probably just holding
Everybody! Help me, dog! Somebody! Pretend we didn't have time. What about me? Wait, don't worry. Survive more. Don't worry. We're together. We should stay together forever.
Yeah.
No, don't worry. We're together. But everything is getting souped away. Everything is falling. Here comes the tornado. Oh no, it's knocking out our car. A really expensive car. I got that with how rich we are from YouTube.
Harper.
Yeah. I know, I hit it.
Pretend we saw a big fire.
It's coming to our house. It's messing everything up.
We're the only ones safe in here. There's no way he can get in the bathroom.
The garbage tall house is tipping. It's tipping. And our tip. Everybody get out of the way. Everybody, get a tip. Get out of the way. Get out of the way. It's tipping. Oh my gosh, I'm about to die. Goodbye, Earth. Goodbye, everybody. Goodbye.
Goodbye, great Lord.
Meet you up there and gone. She's gone. She's gone. She's goner.
Why do we wash you naked?
Whatever. Warning. The tornado is now going to Australia. People in St. Louis are safe. St. Louis,
Oh no.
Canada. Actually St. Louis, Florida, South America, or every place is safe except Georgia. Tornadoes going to Georgia, and the meteorite is successfully landed and didn't do that much damage except to the grass. We're safe, just laying in bed and listening to the news. It's perfect. But I did see out the window that the Gabby's dollhouse did fall.
And everybody had their death time.
Yeah, but our house did get destroyed.
Yeah, we're gonna have to fix that later.
Everything got tipped over.
Anyway, let's continue our life.
Oh my gosh, that was crazy. Everybody fell for it. That meteor was so big. I can't believe I actually did that with my car.
Sister! Somebody made a meteorite and
Take it out of the car.
let's go get him. Get her.
Subscribe for part 2.
What did you do? You made it. I'm gonna arrest you.
No.
I'm not